Okay, today our topic is about magnetic levitation. According to the Earnshaw's theorem, just as you see from your learning sheet, he says it is almost impossible to levitate a single object simply by the repulsive forces provided by your magnets. So today we want to levitate a pencil, or you can call it a thin rod. It is now attached by two magnets, and downwards we prepared another 4 magnets that we try to give it a repulsion. And in order to reach a static balance, static balance, we must define the force to conquer, to fight against the gravity, because downwards is the earth. You try to attract the thin rod, and there's gravity downwards. So we need to give this rod another opposite forces in an opposite direction, and that would be the repulsion, or you could call it repulsive forces by the magnets. But just like I said, according to the Earnshaw's theorem, it's impossible to levitate a single object simply by the repulsion. So we must give this rod a supporting point. So you don't really need that point to fix your rod. It just needs a little contact. Okay, and that contact can help you to reach the static balance much more easier. And also you can try to discuss the area about the supporting point, whether it should be large or it should be as small as possible. I don't know, maybe you can do the experiment. And second, we will try to play the spinning top. You know what is the spinning top? Spinning top is awful. And we put some magnets inside it, and we try to design some interesting circuits. And your spinning top can keep rotating, and it won't stop. And that is a very interesting toy. And today I want to introduce a very interesting device called magnetic reed switch. In Chinese, it's called and that is, they are made by 2 reeds. What is reed? Reed, in Chinese, 芦苇，或者说是你们这个有玩乐器的簧片 2 reeds is made by 2 reeds. At the beginning, there's a little gap between the 2 reeds, but if you try to move magnets toward your switch, they will be turned to a magnet temporarily. So they will start to attract each other and make a little contact and then turn on the circuits. So you can use the magnetic reed switch to control your circuits. It depends on whether you want to turn it on or turn it off. It can be controlled by your magnets. So this is the function of your reed switch. OK， 帮各位讲这个英文。